Ganda ba?
Yan, alright. So, joke lang. Okay.
Tatapusin ko muna ito, sasabihin ko. Ikaw ay walang ganyan ka rin nang tayo ay huli. Kita tanda ko pa habang ako'y tinitingnan kita hanggang wala na. Kumusta ka? Ay iba'y sinap ang iyong mata. Halata daigdig mo ngayon ay kay saya. Siguro ay nagmamahal ka na ng todo. Sumayin ako tayong dalawa. Na ako'y nagsisipan na kita'y makita ka, mayakapan, muli kang mahal. Ngunit ngayon nangyari na, ako'y nauutan. Walang masabing kundi
Mahal ko kayo!
ay nako. Kumusta?
Maligaya, ikaw?
Maligayang Pasko sa inyo na. Okay, okay, mabuti naman. Grabe naman.
Yeah!
Hindi na ako masabi lahat!
Kaya, tanggalin mo kasi. Gusto nila makita yung mata mo. Mali-mali rin naman yung kulay mo eh.
Hindi, colorblind ako eh.
Kaya nga mali-mali.
Sinusuot
Pag
kita.
tinanong ko,
Sinusuot ko to para makita kitang mas lalo.
Hindi na naman multicolor.
Sino sa inyo nagsasalamin? Di ba? Narinig ko yung boses mo. Palakpakan para sa akin.
Uy, nasa Hawaii na tayo. Di tayo nakarating dito kung asawa tayo.
Aloha!
Aloha!
Mahalo!
You're Shaka.
Shaka!
Hi, everybody.
Ate mo na. Shaka.
Shaka!
Give me five. Okay,
Okay.
alright. Alright.
Bago na naman tayo.
Imagine, after so many years, magkakasama na naman tayo.
Yes.
Shaka!
Diba?
Happy, di ba? Happy, happy.
Kasi,
Tapos
last
sana?
na natin sa Vancouver.
The last
Di ba?
Isa na lang.
Sabihin marami tayong plano. Sabihin marami tayong plano.
Oy, ano ba plano natin? Pwede
Ano
ba
ka ba?
share natin sa
Sige,
kanila?
sige.
Okay, plano ho namin mag-adobo sa bahay ninyo. Sino sa inyo magaling mag-adobo? Ha? Okay, hindi ho, pero totoo niyan, sino ho ang merong mga Instagram?
Oh my gosh!
Sino?
You have to tell them the plans, not ask to be
Hindi
kind.
kasi sa mga Instagram natin, nandun yung mga plano natin. Pero kami lang nakakaalam nun.
Parang ikaw lang, paalam mo muna sa akin.
Hindi, pero pag nakita nila sa Instagram, makikita nila yung mga pinag-uusapan natin.
Ba't kasi Instagram mo? Di ako padadala. Ayusin sa
Sabi nila,
Okay, me first. Okay, this is from our third
Okay,
movie.
Ginio. dapat kang mahalin.
Here's the song. Here's the song I sang to you on the wedding reception of our church wedding.
Sino sa'yo yan punta sa wedding reception?
Sino po kayong nandun na hindi ako makahinga dahil ang dami nyo?
Ang hirap, di ba? Ang daming tao, ang hirap huminga, di ba?
Yes, pero it was a beautiful wedding. Now, when we watch it, ayan mo, hindi ko lang makita. Di went
hindi
through that.
nakapunta.
Oh my God, I was 5 and you were 7.
Oh my God, look at that. Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that, look at that. That had nothing to do with those preparations.
Oh, ano ba dapat?
Hindi pa uso yung wedding planner. No?
Halika dito tayo.
That was-
Let's watch this, let's watch it.
Look at that. Martin and Albi, Daddy and Mommy.
Mami.
I said to Daddy, Daddy, yung matandaming tao, may tumating bang head of state? Sabi, hindi, biglang nakita ko siya ng gabi. Manila Cathedral. Ha?
Sa totoo lang, akala ko magpapakasal sila ulit. Okay.
Tinanggal na.
Okay.
Tinanggal. Aww. Okay, come. I will sing to you again. But this one, you know, is a beautiful song composed by Willie Cruz and sung by Nonoy.
Day after day, our love gets stronger, growing every minute that we get closer.
If we ever have to say goodbye and go our own separate ways, I wouldn't know how to get by on my own. After all, the love and passion that's you now, you
Gusto kitang marinig.
have shown.
Yan! Palakpakan mo.
Never say
No matter how they try to show me love won't
last if we're prisoners caught in our past.
Your dreams run dry. No need for you to cry. I promise I will stay. I'm with you.
Our friends will soon, ano ba yan? Regret for beginning.
Nasabayan ni Ren.
Regretting we once met. Because we'll show them all with love we can walk down, and we will never say goodbye. Okay. And then, meron tayong gustong panoorin with them. Ito, meron tayong parang
Kiss namin sa Dear Heart, yun ang first kiss namin talaga.
It wasn't the day I said yes to him. It was a few weeks after.
Sa totoo lang, I don't remember kung ano yung gift specifically na binigay ko sa kanya. Pero during those days, marami akong binibigay ng mga gifts sa kanya. And sometimes, and most of the time, mga maliliit na gifts yun. May kasamang notes yun. So may notes siya, yung how do you feel, may ka na ba, and so on and so forth. Tapos meron kasamang maliit na regalo yun. Sabi nga nila, di ba, big surprises comes in small gifts. Yun.
Oh, really little gifts. You know, we were kids, of flowers or something. But he did give me a ring before he proposed pa. When we were just boyfriend, girlfriend, before I said yes to the marriage proposal, he gave me a ring that I wore all the time. I had a 2-night concert in Araneta Coliseum called Sharon Solo with the Boys in July of 1984. And it was at the last rehearsal, the night before the first show, that he came to Araneta and I was already going backstage. Tapos,
Di ko magawa, mahal kitang tapat. P.S. I love you, yan ba'y di masama? P.S. I love you, walang tsaka. Tayo magkasundo, okay, never
Okay,
mind.
pero ganito. Kung ano man ang nangyari dun sa napag-usapan natin, kalimutan na natin yun dahil nakaraan na yun.
Ah?
Diba?
Sandali, may parating
Pero,
na mga plano.
pero,
Gulo-gulo ka usap.
pero,
Ano ba?
balikan natin ang nakaraan.
Yan. oo.
Mas gusto ko yun. Sa pamamagitan ng...
Mga awit.
Wow.
Siyempre.
Gawin natin ito.
Ito na yung movies na. Comes close enough to describing how I truly feel. Every time we embrace and my wonderful dreams become real. You may read all the books.
Saway talaga si
No love
Gabi.
story was ever like this. I could die for just one tender kiss from my only love. Ay tawag ko.
Ako pinakasalan dahil gusto mo akong pakainin.
Yun din. Kasi magaling ako magluto. Alam mo, binabastos natin yung kanta ko. Huwag na.
At
Okay.
ako'y gustong gusto ko.
Adobo.
Magluto ka habang buhay ko.
Ah,
Ladies and gentlemen,
so ito tatanong ko.
magbihis ka na
So,
para...
gusto mo akong gawing cook?
Hindi,
Walang hiya.
gusto kong maging akin ka lang. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin, Miss Sharon
Hoy.
Concepcion.
Okay, but look at we are singing together. You're thanking me. I cannot go pa. We have duet pa.
Ah, gusto mo talagang kasama
Alam mo,
ako.
tanggalin
Hoy,
mo kasi yung salamin mo. Di ba nakikita?
dito. Tabihan mo ko at wag mo kong iiwanan. Ready? Should we stay or should we go? Should we stay or...
Oh, tutula ka na naman. Kantahin na natin.
We should stay. We should
Mamaya,
stay.
we are not poets.
Okay,
Let
go.
us sing. Okay.
We should stay daw. We should stay.
Should we stay? Or should we say goodbye?
Stay.
Ayan na naman kayo. Hindi naman to question and answer. Walk away or give it one more try.
One more try.
What a waste to let our dreams just fly. And as the days go by, we'll always wonder why. What are you doing?
Masaya ka ba?
Okay lang.
Kasi ito sasabihin sa'yo.
Gutom. Okay.
Ito sasabihin sa'yo.
Ano?
Are we glad to find one day for free?
Masaya ba yun?
Is this what we really want to be? need to have so much. It really is quite tough if love is not enough.
Tell me why did we find each other? Only to part ways in the end. Tell me how we learned to love each other. And tell me how to keep on. Was it right that made us hurt? Hurting words we should not even say. Oh, my heart straight in my eyes. If we can say we're worth one more try.
Mahag naman.
Okay. Ano to? Magbibihis muna ako, ikaw muna dyan.
Excuse me, I will just make palet.
Palakpakan po.
Alsamba.
Palakpakan po para kay Michelle.
Look at my gown. Cause I'm gonna build a snowman.
Palakpakan po. Grabe. Palakpakan! Lakasan po natin yung palakpakan!
Para ikaw si Vice ganda ako si Ann.
Hindi! Hindi! Pakipantayan ninyo, ayokong masaktan siya ng kahit na anong paraan. Tao. Narinig na ho ninyo, ha? Sabi niya,
Oh, ano?
magbibihis daw siya.
Magbibihis.
Diba? Para sa